Zomato has reported a lower than expected profit of 176 crores on the back of higher taxes. Meanwhile, the revenue and the margin have come in line with expectations. The Deepinder Goyal-led company's board has also approved 8,500 crore rupees fundraise via IPO that we have been talking about. But my colleague Snehi Shah is joining in with the details of that. Let's go across and take a look.
Well, yes, overall, largely mixed to inline set of numbers is what we've seen from Zomato for Q2. If you take a look at these numbers on a consolidated sequential basis, revenue has come in at 4,799 crore rupees compared to 4,206 crores, which is an uptick of 14.1% on a sequential basis compared to what we were expecting at ET now of 4,681 crore rupees. Net profit, however, has missed what we were expecting here at 260 crore rupees. It has come in at 176 crores versus 253 crores, which is down 30.5% sequentially. Now, current tax of 76 crores has weighed on PAT this time coming around, which is why it's been a miss on our expectations. EBITDA, however, has been a beat, coming in at 226 crore rupees versus 177 crores, an uptick of 27.7% sequentially versus what we were expecting at 209 crore rupees. And the EBITDA margin, largely in line with our expectations of 4.5%, have come in at 4.7% versus 4.2%, up 50 bips on a sequential basis as well. If you take a look at the fundraising announcement, the board has approved a QIP issue of 8,500 crores. So that's the fundraise announcement that we've seen coming in from the board meeting. And if you take a look at the segmental performance, also food delivery revenue was up 4% sequentially, quick commerce up 23%. Going out business, if you include the recent Paytm ticket business acquisition, it was up 62%. But on a like-to-like basis, excluding this acquisition, that QOQ growth was 32%. And Hyperpure was also up 22% on a sequential basis. Now, here are some highlights from the numbers. The GOV growth across B2C business has improved 14% sequentially to come in at 17,670 crores. Food delivery GOV growth has come in at 5% sequentially versus what we were expecting to be 7%. Quick commerce GOV growth has beat our expectations, come in at 25% sequentially versus our expectation of 15%. Going out biz GOV growth at 46% sequentially, but like-to-like has come in at 29%. Management says that the food delivery business has remained steady and continues to do well. The district app is also all set to go live in 4 weeks as well. So, well, that's the lowdown on Zomato's Q2 numbers. Largely mixed to inline set is what we've seen.
There comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits. And then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.